time for another episode of Instant Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one that came out of an umai crate. Go to japancrate.com. Use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Check this out. This is CupStar Kitsune Udon. Yep. And it has a lid. And on the back of the lid, it has a printed autograph of one of the ladies from the group, I think it's Onizuka 46. They've got these girl groups over there that are like, literally like 46, 46 chicks. I mean, look at all that fried tofu. That's ridiculous. This one takes 4 minutes. Let's get it up to that line right there. Push it down a little bit, and then we will be off to the proverbial races on this. That was crazy. I pushed a button inadvertently. That happens from time to time. So, yeah, it's Friday. I think I've been doing 3 reviews a day for like over 10 days now. That is bell beef, ladies and gentlemen. That's some serious business right there. That's like, I've been on this roll of doing reviews like quite a bit. A lot of reviews. It's good to be doing a lot of reviews, I must say. Anyways, what's going on? More rain. It's raining and 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 raining. And yeah, yesterday I went and walked in the rain, did about 10 miles in the rain. It's kind of crazy because it's like you go out and you get wet. You come back in, what do you want to do? Get all dry. But I have to go back out and do the bus thing, pick up a kid, come back in. I might as well stay wet because I got to go back out again. And then I get back and then I realized I need eggs. So after my wife got home from work, then I got eggs, got home, and finally was able to get comfortable. Yeah. So I'm always looking for what I have dubbed as trail treats when I go out walking on our interurban trail. I used to find all sorts of interesting stuff, like this hat. I found this hat and washed it, and it's fine. It's a, what is it? Toyota racing team or something, which is funny because I'm legally blind, so that could be a bad mix of racing cars and not being able to see. That could end up very poorly. What else? Went and I got up nice and early and got some things done. Interesting, weird stuff going on lately. I got a guy out of Malaysia sending me this stuff called salt cola that I'm very curious about, and I'll try it on the show, and I'll tell everybody a little bit about it. A buddy of mine, he used to do stuff with an instant noodle company in Malaysia and doesn't anymore, so he was like, I want you to try this. I'm like, okay. But it's cola infused with Himalayan salt. I don't know. The only time I've heard of salted, like cola-like beverage, out of Taiwan, there's this stuff called Haesong sarsaparilla, and it's really popular. I think it tastes like medicine. I can't stand this stuff. But they've got like a reddish, like maroonish kind of can. And then they've got one that's more like orange, and that's the version with salt in it. And salt cola. I don't know. People like it. Maybe I will. I don't know. We'll find out. And the other thing was I was approached by the CupStar people because I used to do my episodes of the Ramen Raider diet, how I lost blank pounds, But I haven't done one of those in a while, so I was thinking I'd do another one of those Why not, right? I'm kind of back on the whole deal, so that'd be kind of cool. But they want to send me this, they call it a pre-workout. So basically it's like a hardcore caffeinated drink, and Rockstar makes them. What's funny is I went and I looked at their products and stuff. They have modeling clay on their website. They've got some weird, wild stuff. But it should be interesting. So you will see that kind of stuff soon. And let me tell you, there is a lot of this fried tofu in this stuff. I'm talking a lot. Yep. That's Kitsune. Kitsune means fox in Japanese. What's funny about this one? So I had two of them. The other one I think was tensoba or tempura soba. I didn't remember which one I did. Nice egg. I think it said there was tempura or kamaboko somewhere in there, but I don't see it. But I'll believe them. It's not bad. Broth's not too insane. But yeah, a little bit fishy, bonito broth, you know. If you've tried a lot of instant noodles like me, you'll know bonito broth, very standard Japanese deal. Anyways, check this out. Today, I was looking through stuff, like, oh, maybe I should give those things a look. And today is the 6th of May, 2022. And look at that. It expires the 6th of May. Or that could be the 5th of June. Which it's more likely, because that's how they do the date over in Southeast Asia and Japan. I think. That's something to have a look-see at. Wow, the guinea pigs are all over the place. They're waiting for yummy yums. I'm pretty sure that's what they want. That's what they generally always want. But let's get this show on the road, as my daughter likes to say. Actually, I like to say it, but she's adopted the term as well. I think that came from my father. I think he said that a lot. I've always heard it all my life, so. We got some onions. Wow, that's a ton of them. Why not? There's some spring onion for you. But yeah, there we go. All right. This is a good one. I'm impressed. Usually I'm not a huge fan of Kitsune Udon or tempura soba because it's a little fishy, but this is a tasty one. It's got the tasty going on. So let's roll it around. Whoops. Oh, how about this? In the bullpen for tomorrow, we have Asha, Dry Noodle, My Melody, friendly scallion sauce noodle made in Taiwan for the U.S. market. That'll be coming up tomorrow. So, this has been Alan's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Thank you.